Hello everyone. So today we will quickly create a three-dimensional map using ArcGIS. So the input layer can be digital elevation model or any other raster file. So without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, we will have to import the raster image into the ArcMap. So click this plus icon and import this raster file. So this is one of the deformation file that I have created inside Pakistan. So before exporting this particular TIFF file into the arc scene, we need to correct its projection. So to correct its projection, you just go to search and write project raster and click on project raster data management. So here we will open this particular raster file. So now it has been loaded. So this is the geographic coordinate system of 1984, which is correct. So now it is asking us about the output raster file. Where do you want to save it? We will click this folder and I will save it in the YouTube tutorial by the name projected and deformation. And I will press save. So the output projected raster file will be saved in this folder by this name. So now it is asking us about the output coordinate system. You need to check your area. So my area files in WGS 1984 42N latitude. So I will click OK. And now the resampling should be bilinear and just press OK. So it will now start projecting the raster file. So now you can see here the projected raster function has been completed and this is the projected file. So now we will open this particular projected deformation file in the arc scene to make a 3D map. So we will go to arc scene and open the same exact folder by the name project deformation and click add. So now it has been opened, but it's still flat. So now you can right click and go to properties and then click on floating on custom surface. So you can play with these values. I will make it 1000 and click apply. So you will now see a little bit of three-dimensional has been created. In order to increase it, you can go to the scene properties and fix this vertical exaggeration to maybe I will select 5 and the background color as maybe black, and I will enable this animation and click OK. So now you can see the three-dimensional effect has been added to this particular file. Now we will choose our color, click OK. So now you can see the three-dimensional deformation has been created. So now let's increase the quality by going to layer properties and clicking on rendering and increase this quality enhancement for raster image. Also turn on the shading and you will see the image as processed or resampled with much better depth. You can also play with the illumination. Suppose we want to see the sunlight coming from this direction or any direction you want, or you can set it to default if you like. So now let's add text or title to one of these places, and so we will right click here and click on 3D graphics. So now we will click on the 3D text and click on this place, and now let's write Quetta. Okay, so the text has been added. In order to access this text, we need to go here, and the properties of this particular text exist in this tab. So you can change it to 1800 and 500. So this is the Z value. It means it is much lower than the surface. So we will make it 500 to make it visible above the surface, and we will change the color of this particular text and click OK. So now you can see the color has been added and you can see the quota value. So now you can see the beautiful animation of this three-dimensional raster file. You can zoom in or zoom out as you wish. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.